In a momentous stride forward for Adani Energy Solutions Ltd, a premier power utility entity steered by the visionary leadership of billionaire Gautam Adani. The company has recently clinched a landmark approval from its esteemed board to embark on an ambitious fundraising odyssey, with lofty aspirations set at a staggering $1.5 billion, equivalent to 125 billion rupees. This strategic maneuver underscores the conglomerate's unwavering commitment to fortify its financial reserves, heralding an imminent surge in capital expenditure initiatives aimed at propelling its diverse portfolio of ventures to new heights of success. The blueprint for this fundraising extravaganza, albeit contingent upon securing further mandates, particularly from the discerning shareholders, holds immense promise for unfolding in one or multiple installments, tactically leveraging an array of sophisticated financial instruments. These may encompass, among others, the prudent issuance of shares to discerning institutional investors, as cogently articulated in a meticulously crafted disclosure submitted to various exchanges on the auspicious Monday. Meanwhile, anticipation reaches a fever pitch as the eagerly awaited board meeting of Adani Enterprises Ltd, the linchpin flagship entity and indispensable holding company, stands poised to convene on the morrow, Tuesday, poised for a judicious examination of parallel fundraising proposals. It's worth noting that these conglomerates had previously notched up parallel endorsements in the annals of 2023, poised to raise a colossal sum tallying $2.6 billion. Yet, these endorsements teeter precariously on the cusp of expiration, threatening to lapse come the impending month of June. Intriguing whispers emanating from undisclosed sources, deftly unearthed by the intrepid journalists at Bloomberg News earlier today, lend credence to the speculation swirling around Adani Enterprises, which purportedly harbors aspirations of securing board endorsement to the tune of a princely sum totaling $1.5 billion. In tandem, Adani Energy, steadfastly committed to its own trajectory of growth and expansion, has its sights set on a fundraising trajectory potentially breaching the formidable threshold of $500 million. These strategic maneuvers are propelled by an overarching strategy to court the interest of a select cadre of 4 to 5 major international investors, who stand poised on the precipice of immersing themselves in the boundless opportunities encapsulated within India's burgeoning infrastructure landscape. Such endeavors hold the collateral promise of not only diversifying the shareholder spectrum, but also auguring well for the conglomerate's burgeoning global footprint. Amidst this effervescent milieu, it behooves us to take stock of the commendable strides undertaken by the conglomerate, spanning an eclectic spectrum from the labyrinthine realm of port infrastructure to the labyrinthine corridors of power utilities. Recent months have witnessed a veritable influx of capital to the tune of nearly $6 billion, meticulously culled from an illustrious cohort of investors. These luminaries include the likes of Rajiv Jain's GQG Partners LLC, the discerning Qatar Investment Authority, and the indomitable Total Energies SE, whose collective imprimatur bespeaks volumes about the conglomerate's robust fundamentals and its enduring allure as an investment destination. This resurgence comes hot on the heels of a tumultuous period precipitated by a scathing indictment from Hindenburg Research, a prominent short seller, whose salvo precipitated a reevaluation of debt portfolios and prompted a temporary recalibration of the conglomerate's ambitious expansion trajectory, in the wake of a stark erosion in market capitalization that eclipsed the formidable threshold of $150 billion. Moreover, the recent ratification of fundraising initiatives by the discerning board serves as a pivotal precursor, endowing the conglomerate with the requisite agility to pounce on propitious financing avenues with alacrity and finesse. However, it's imperative to underscore that while these enabling resolutions serve as a potent accelerant in facilitating expedited access to capital, they do not, by any stretch of the imagination, impose a binding obligation on the conglomerate to consummate the fundraising endeavor. This latest development, emblematic of Adani Group's unwavering resolve and indomitable spirit, underscores its resolute commitment to navigating the capricious contours of the economic landscape with consummate finesse. Bolstered by a steadfast resolve to fortify its operational prowess, buttress its financial bedrock, and cement its stature as a preeminent player in the global business arena, The conglomerate stands poised on the threshold of a new era of unparalleled growth and prosperity.